Hey, it's James Potenza, the new home realtor. We're back out at Meridiana, and today I got a special treat for you guys. This is a Coventry home. It's the Elgin model. It's in a great section of Meridiana, and if you haven't been out here, trust me, you're going to love this place. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm glad you're here. I put out the most timely content on YouTube for any new construction homes in the Houston area. And go ahead and like and subscribe to my channel, and you can be very well educated on everything new construction. All right, let's go take a look at this Elgin plan. All right. Hope you like walk new model homes like I do. They're just super clean, super amazing, and of course they're brand new. So this was the Elgin plan by Coventry in Meridiana, and it's just an amazing community. So again, James Potenza, that new home realtor. And if you're new to my channel, I'm glad you watched the video. I'm glad you're here. Go ahead and like and subscribe to my channel. And on my YouTube channel, you're going to see homes just like this building and the whole process from start to finish. I go through all these homes, and if you choose me as your realtor to help you build a home, I'll be filming this home, your home, all the way through the build process. You can have it on YouTube forever, and you'll be able to show your friends and family. So I'll put my contact information right there. And again, I'm super glad you're here, and I'm glad you stayed through the end of the video, and we'll see you on the next video.